Hi, my name is Paula Cabral.
And my name is Natalia Tokmacheva, and together we are BIM. We are both architects and we work on big-scale projects entirely in Revit architecture. We met several years ago in Barcelona while we were doing our master's degree in advanced studies of architecture.
And since then, we founded BIMit. In the last years, we have delivered many projects in many different countries. We work hand by hand with other architectural practices.
I have more than 10 years of experience in architectural field, and 5 years of them I worked for international company Chapman Taylor. During these years, I was promoted from an architect to a senior architect, and also I started to work entirely in Revit.
In my case, I had the opportunity to study in many different countries. I graduated in Venezuela as an architect, and I did several exchanges. I went to the United States in the University of Missouri. There, I had my Revit education, and since that moment, I started using Revit for all my projects.
During this course, we will teach you how to use Revit for architectural projects. But in order to understand how Revit works, you have to understand what BIM is. BIM means Building Information Modeling. Talking in simple words, it means that the building model which you create contains some elements, and each element contains the information, such as category, dimensions, cost, time, etc.
That's why they say BIM works in 7 dimensions: 3D for geometry, 4D for time, 5D for cost, 6D for facility management, and 7D for sustainability. All of these parameters that I have just mentioned are related to the whole life cycle of the building.
This is why BIM is so beneficial, because you can work in collaboration with all the specialists in the area, like MEP engineers and structural engineers. So now you will start your first steps in a huge world of BIM system with our Revit Basics course.
We have used many different softwares in our architectural practice, and we agree with the community of architects that Revit is the leading software in BIM. In this course, we will teach you how to use the software of Revit. We will teach you about the main key features, so you will be able to create your own architectural projects.
Thank you for buying this course, and we hope you will enjoy it a lot. In the next unit, Paula will explain you the difference between Revit versions, and together you will install the tried version of Revit.